Good morning, dear students. Welcome again in online classes. We were reading lesson 4. In last class, we read about religious festivals and special days. In last class, we read about festivals and special days. In religious festivals, we read about Diwali, Christmas, Eid and Gurupurab. There are two types of festival we read in last classes. The first one is religious festival and the second one is national festival or national days. In the last classes we read about religious festival. In religious festival we read about Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. The second one is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by the Christians, and the third one Eid. Eid is celebrated by the Muslims, and the last one is Gurupurab. Gurupurab is celebrated by Sikh. In this class, we will read about national days or national festival. Today we will read about national festival. The second part. There are two types of festival. No? The first one is religious, and the second one is national. In the last class, we read about the religious festival, and today we will read about the national festival. National festivals or national days, both are same. The first, in the national days or in the national festivals, there are three festivals or 3 days. Okay. The first one is the Independence Day. Independence Day. The first one is Independence Day. The second one is Republic Day. The second one is Republic Day. And the third and the last one is Gandhi Jayanti. What is Gandhi Jayanti? How many national days are there? How many? There are 3 national days. The first one is Independence Day. The second one is Republic Day. And the third one is Gandhi Jayanti. The third one is Gandhi Jayanti. Now we will start from the first one. These 3 are called national days. These 3 festivals are celebrated as national days. Diwali we celebrate as a religious festival. Christmas we celebrate as a religious festival. But these 3, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, these 3 festivals, these 3 days, we celebrate as a national days. National days. Can you guess what is this? Can you see this picture? What is this? Very nice. National flag. This is national flag. So we will start from the first one, the Independence Day. The first one is the Independence Day. The Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th of August. When do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th of August. When do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. When do we celebrate? 15th August. 15th August. On this day, India became independent in 1947. India became independent in 1947. India got the freedom on which year? 1947. India got independent on 1947. When do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th of August. Every year on the 15th of August, we celebrate Independence Day. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag. Who hosts the national flag? Prime Minister. And you know who is the Prime Minister? Now, who is the Prime Minister? Narendra Modi. Wow, you know this answer. Oh, very nice. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag. Who hosts the national flag? Who hosts the national flag? Our Prime Minister. Who hosts the national flag? Our Prime Minister. Very good. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. At the Red Fort, Delhi. Where does he host the national flag? Where does PM, where does Prime Minister, where does Narendra Modi, where does PM, who is the PM of nowadays, where does PM host the national flag, this flag, where does he host? In New Delhi. At the Red Fort, New Delhi. Red Fort. Red Fort in New Delhi. So the first one is clear. There are 3 days in National Day. The first one is Independence Day. Independence Day we celebrate on 15th of August. We got independent. Our country got independence on 1947. Our PM, our Prime Minister host the national flag. Our Prime Minister host this. In his school also our principal hosts the national flag, no? On 15th August, our PM hosts the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Where? At Red Fort in New Delhi. Very nice. Now, the second one. What is the second one? Republic Day. What is the second one? Republic Day. First, we will understand what is Republic. Republic, a country that has an elected government and an elected leader or president. We have our president. We have president, no? We have our president. It means that our country is republic country. If any country has their own president, then that country is republic country. Okay. So Republic Day, the next one. The Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January. When do we celebrate Republic Day? When? 26th of January. When do we celebrate Republic Day? 26th of January. Very nice. On this day, India became a republic in 1950. India became republic means in 1950 we have our own constitution, we have our own prime minister, our own president. In 1950, when we celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January, and we got our country got republic. India became republic on 1950. The President of India takes the salute of the Grand Parade at Rajghat, New Delhi. Who salute the Grand Parade? Who salute like this? Who salute? Our President. Who salute? Our President. In Independence Day, who salute? In Independence Day, who host the national flag? Who host? Our Prime Minister. And in Republic Day, who salute the national flag? Who salute? Who salute the parade also? Parades. You can see so many soldiers are there. Have you seen in your school also so many brothers and sisters, bhaiyas and didis are there? Those who are making the lines, and they used to wear 4-color dress: red, yellow, green and blue. And they stand one by one in a queue, in a line, and they take round in the whole ground. Have you remember? Like that also, like this only. In New Delhi, in Rajpath, soldiers did used to do parade like this. The President of India takes the salute of the Grand Parade at Rajpath in New Delhi. So this one is clear. Republic, who has our own president, that is a republic country, and our country is republic country. Republic Day we celebrate on 26th of January. And who salute the flag, who salute the parade? Our president. Okay. Now the last one is Gandhi Jayanti. The last one is Gandhi Jayanti. The Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? On 2nd October. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? On 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Whose birthday do we celebrate as a Gandhi Jayanti? Whose birthday do we celebrate as a Gandhi Jayanti? We celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, clear? The father of the nation. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Who is the father of our nation? Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma. Who is the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi. People pay homage at him at Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. People show their respect, people show their homage, people show their wishes and respect to the Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi in the Rajghat. So this one is also clear. Gandhi Jayanti we celebrate on 2nd of October. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti for the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We show our respect, we pay the homage, we show our respect to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. And where is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi? Rajghat. Where is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi? In Rajghat. Okay, this 3 topic is clear. Give me 1 minute, I'll check the camera. This 3 one is clear now. So let me revise one more time. The national days. We were reading today national days. In national days, there are 3 days. The first one is Independence Day, the second one is Republic Day, and the third one is Gandhi Jayanti. The first one, Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on, very nice, 15th of August. Our Prime Minister hosts the national flag in Delhi at Red Fort. Republic Day, Republic means those country who have their own president, a country that has an elected government and an elected leader or president. We have our own leader, we have our own president, so our country is Republic country. Republic Day we celebrate on 26th of January. And who give the salute? Who salute our flag and parade? Who salute? President. Very nice. In this one, Prime Minister, and this one, President. And the last one is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday as Gandhi Jayanti, and we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. We show our respect to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat to his Samadhi. Now the last topic is family celebration. In the first line, in the first day before this class, we read there are 2 types of days. First one, the special festivals, and the second one is sorry. The first one is festivals. In festival, we read about these type of festival: Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, and these are religious festival. In national festival, we read these 3. And the second, on the other hand, we read about the special day. You remember? I show you the one cake. Yeah. Special days. We celebrate special days with our family and friends. Family celebration. So in this family celebration, we will read about the special day. Which day will come in the family celebration? In a special day, which day will come? The first one is birthday. The second one is wedding. The third one is marriage anniversary. Birthdays, wedding and marriage anniversaries are some of the family celebration. These three celebration we celebrate in our family only. We celebrate in our family. We call our family members. We invite our friends also. Family celebration. Not in the school, not in the country. We celebrate in our family only. These celebration These celebrations bring joy and happiness to the family. Whenever we celebrate these three celebrations, whether happy birthday, your birthday, your wedding, any wedding is there, your brother wedding, your uncle wedding, your sister wedding, any wedding is there, or marriage anniversary. After wedding, when 1 year will complete, then they will celebrate the marriage anniversary. In this three celebration, we celebrate and we make fun, we feel enjoy, we do enjoyment, we make ourselves happy with our friends and family. Friends and relatives are invited on such occasions. I told you already, in these type of occasion we should invite our friends, our colleagues and our families. They meet one another and enjoy a feast. They meet with each other when they used to come in the celebration. They meet with each other and they enjoy a lot. They make a fun and they eat a best feast. Feast means a grand meal. Those who are arranging the celebration, those who are inviting the guests also, they give the best meal. They provide the grand meal also. Okay, so this chapter is over. So after this we will solve the book exercises of this chapter. Okay, so this is our lesson. This is lesson 4, celebration. We read about the celebration. Now we will solve the worksheet, and the first one is fill in the blanks. First we will solve the fill in the blanks. The first question in the fill in the blanks, dash bring joy and unite people. Festival or feast? Which one will bring joy? Festival bring joy or feast bring joy? Festivals. Very nice. So you will write down festivals here. Festivals bring joy and unite people. Second one, dash is a festival of lights. Eid or Diwali? Which one is the festival of lights? Diwali. Very good. Third, dash marks the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. Diwali or Christmas? Which one we mark at the birth of Lord Jesus Christ? Christmas. Very good. So you will write down like this. Next, dash is celebrated as the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev. Whose birthday we celebrate as Guru Parv? Eid or Guru Parv? Whose birthday we celebrate as Guru Parv? Guru Nanak Dev. And Guru Nanak Dev birthday we celebrate as a Eid or Guru Parv? Guru Parv. Very good. So you will write down here Guru Parv. The last one is the dash is celebrated every year on 15th of August. What do we celebrate on 15th of August? Independence Day. This space is less, so you will write down like this, upside independence and downside day, or you can write this side also, Independence Day. The Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th of August. So is it clear, the first one? Now the second exercise, write T for true and F for false. You have done already in 3 chapters. In the boxes you will write down like this. So first we will read the question. The first one, Christians go to the church to pray. Christians go to the church to pray. It is true or false? True. True. Very nice. True. True means you have to write down T here in the box. Muslims wish Eid Mubarak to one another on Eid. Muslims wish Eid Mubarak, no? On the Eid occasion? Yes. True. So you will write down true, T. Guru Parv is a festival of brotherhood. Oh, you remember the answer? Guru Parv is a festival of brotherhood? No? False. So this one is the false. Which festival is known as brotherhood? Which festival is shows the brotherhood? Eid. Very nice. Then fourth one, Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of a nation. Very good. This is true. So you will write down T. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 2nd October. False. Very nice. Republic Day we celebrate every year on the right date will be 26th January. Very good. So this one is the false. After this, the third question is, name the festivals. Can you guess which festival is this? Eid. Very nice. This one, which festival is this? Christmas. And this one, which festival? Diwali. Very good. So you will write down like this, the Eid, Christmas and Diwali. The next question, read each sentences and name the national days. Read each sentence and name the national days. The first one, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort. In which national day it happens? Independence Day. Very good. Independence Day. The President takes the salute of the Grand Parade at Rajpath. Who salute? President. In which festival? In which day? Republic Day. Very good. So you will write down here Republic Day. And the last one is, people pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. People pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. In which day? On which day? Gandhi Jayanti. So you will write down here Gandhi Jayanti. So this one is clear. This is the book exercise. So you will do this book exercise in the book, and after that question answer you will do from the school website. And after this we will start the new chapter. In the next class we will read lesson 5, our food. In the next class we will read lesson 5, our food. Thank you. Bye bye.